Hello folks, Mr.J here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the H5 Disney Set. Now, chances are I've already opened the box and all that. These are all the dominoes here. But I'm going to review them anyway, so let's take a look at the box. I can't even see myself. Yeah. So we got 200 dominoes in this container. Mickey Mouse. We got a star thing right here and a heart and snowflake. Okay. And there's the back side. It comes with, you see it comes with a clear template. Clear field starter, a nice template, instruction guide, sticker pack. I have all those. I'm going to get those for you right now. Okay, so you see here, we'll start with this. It's nice looking field starter here. So you can see through my hand. It's very nice. Let's compare with an actual field starter with same size as this. Well, ain't that the truth, huh? Yeah, so this is pretty nice. Pretty cool field starter. Here's the template. This template is way bigger than I actually thought it would be, so don't believe me, let's compare it with an actual H5 template here. Yeah, it's way bigger. And here's the sticker pack. Hold on one second. Anyways, like I was saying, we got the Mickey Mouse thing. We got that. H5 Domino Community. Yeah. And there's the H5 logo right here. Right there. Yeah. And now the dominoes. I've already put the dominoes inside this container here, so it'll look more artistic. So we're gonna jump right through these right now. You see, they come in this yellow orangish color. We got gray. We got teal, and we got light pink. And there's one more domino in here. Let me see if I can. We have this really cool design of a metallic domino. And if that wasn't enough, it has Mickey Mouse right on it. There you go. So yeah, that's the H5 set. Let's compare with some other colors. Alright, so we have all the colors here. You can see we got everything. If you saw that one short I made with a line, that's just all the colors. This is your lucky day, you get to see them again. We got the light pink, we got neon, red, orange, and this yellow-orange color, yellow, neon green, teal, light blue, green, blue, neon blue, blue, purple, white, gray, and black. Let's make that line again. You can just yeah, that's my pour review of the neon sets. Thanks for watching and take care.